The similarities among all known present-day species indicate that they have diverged through the process of evolution from their common ancestor. 104. Biologists regard the ubiquity of the genetic code as evidence of universal common descent for all bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes. 105, 10, 106, 107. Microbial mats of coexisting bacteria and archaea were the dominant form of life in the early Archean Eon, and many of the major steps in early evolution are thought to have taken place in this environment. 108. The earliest evidence of eukaryotes dates from 1.85 billion years ago, 109, 110, and while they may have been present earlier, their diversification accelerated when they started using oxygen in their metabolism. Later, around 1.7 billion years ago, multicellular organisms began to appear, with differentiated cells performing specialized functions. 111. Algae-like multicellular land plants are dated back to about 1 billion years ago. 112, although evidence suggests that microorganisms formed the earliest terrestrial ecosystems, at least 2.7 billion years ago. 113. Microorganisms are thought to have paved the way for the inception of land plants in the Ordovician period. Land plants were so successful that they are thought to have contributed to the late Devonian extinction event. 114. Ediacara biota appear during the Ediacaran period. 115, while vertebrates, along with most other modern phyla, originated about 525 million years ago during the Cambrian explosion. 116, during the Permian period, synapsids, including the ancestors of mammals, dominated the land. 117. But most of this group became extinct in the Permian-Triassic extinction event 252 million years ago. 118. During the recovery from this catastrophe, archosaurs became the most abundant land vertebrates. Winkwithafrown 119, 1. Archosaur group, the dinosaurs, dominated the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. 120. After the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event 66 million years ago killed off the non-avian dinosaurs. 121. Mammals increased rapidly in size and diversity. 122. Such mass extinctions may have accelerated evolution by providing opportunities for new groups of organisms to diversify. 123. Diversity. Bacteria and archaea. Further information, microbiology. Bacteria, Gematomonas or Antiocha, == 1 micrometer. Bacteria are a type of cell that constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms. Typically a few micrometers in length, bacteria have a number of shapes, ranging from spheres to rods and spirals. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth, and are present in most of its habitats. Bacteria inhabit soil, water, acidic hot springs, radioactive waste, 124, and the deep biosphere of the Earth's crust. Bacteria also live in symbiotic and parasitic relationships with plants and animals. Most bacteria have not been characterized, and only about 27% of the bacterial phyla have species that can be grown in the laboratory. 125. Archaea, Halarchaea. Archaea const.